Let's start with a question that stings a little. Why do so many smart, capable people fail at affiliate marketing even when they're doing everything the gurus tell them? Because the game is rigged for the loudest people in the room. Most beginners are told, post daily, build your personal brand, show your face, go live, share your story, and if you're shy, introverted, private, or simply busy, you're made to feel like you're the problem. But here's the truth. Nobody says out loud, visibility is not a business model, and burnout is not a strategy. If showing your face, dancing for views, or becoming an online personality feels exhausting, it's not because you're not cut out for it. It's because that system was never designed for you. Now let's flip the script. Most people fail because they try to start at step 5 and completely ignore steps 1 to 4. But when you break affiliate marketing down to the basics, the whole game becomes shockingly simple. You don't need to go viral. You don't need a following. You don't need a personal brand, you just need a system. Here's the simple truth. If you can build a small email list of people interested in a specific problem and send them helpful, curiosity-driven emails, you will eventually earn commissions. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They know they need a funnel, but funnels feel complicated. They know they need emails, but writing them feels stressful. They know they need traffic, but they don't know how to get it without becoming a content machine. These are the steps that make or break everything. These are the steps that overwhelm beginners. These are the steps that cause people to quit. This is exactly where the AI faceless list builder comes in. Not as a magic get-rich-quick tool, but as a system that simplifies what most people overcomplicate. Unlike typical courses that dump 40 hours of theory on you, this method focuses on one thing: helping quiet, busy, faceless creators build a real affiliate system without showing their face or posting constantly. What I like about this system is that it doesn't try to turn you into an influencer. Instead, it helps you build a clean opt-in funnel, a simple lead magnet, a faceless email sequence, a set of proven affiliate promos, and a traffic plan that doesn't rely on you being visible. These bonuses aren't random extras. Each one removes a point of friction that normally stops beginners from launching. The foundations video kills confusion. The creator bot kills writer's block. The prompt vault kills the blinking cursor. The checklist kills overthinking. And the email calendar kills inconsistency. That's the kind of value that actually speeds people up. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to be visible. You don't need to put your life online. You just need a dependable system that works quietly in the background so you can build something that grows even when you're not showing up. And honestly, if you've tried the loud methods, if you've burned out, if you've started over more times than you want to admit, then trying a faceless, structured, automation-friendly approach might be the smartest move you make this year. If this sounds like the kind of approach that fits you, not the influencer version of you, but the real you, then the link is below. Check it out while the bonuses are still available, and see if it feels like the missing piece you've been looking for. Quiet growth wins.